Alright guys, if you are feeling stuck, unmotivated, or like your creative spark has just completely vanished, you might be in a slump. And believe me, we have all been there. So today, I'll walk you through what's actually going on in your brain and how to reset your flow even if you're feeling completely burnt out. The first thing is just recognizing the slump. And there's a big difference between just a normal creative break that every artist needs and a real slump. Some signs that you may be in a slump are procrastination, frustration, and lack of motivation. Start by asking yourself, how long has this been going on? Do you still feel excited about your work? Are you able to step away and feel rejuvenated? Are you still thinking about creative ideas even if you're not working on them? How does your confidence level feel? How do you feel, or what do you think when you look at your past work? And is your brain overthinking or just resting? Answering each of those can help you determine if you just need a break, a little bit of a reset, or if you're truly in a slump and need to take some action. The first thing you can do to get yourself back is change up your routine. Sometimes doing the same thing over and over can kill your creativity. Try switching up your workspace, change the lighting, swap out your tools, or even change the type of art that you're making. Consider taking a short break from sneakers in general and experiment with a different type of medium. The next thing I recommend doing is get inspired, but don't copy. Try to follow different types of artists and not just sneaker customizers to give your brain something else to look at. Look at fashion, graffiti, digital art, tattoos, or even nature for inspiration. And when in doubt, look at some of your favorite artists' work. Think back to who inspired you to just get started. In order to switch things up, you can give yourself a small but fun creative challenge. Sometimes that pressure of always creating something perfect can cause you a slump. So try something like a quick 1-hour custom, or a random color challenge, or even just a themed project for fun. You can also force your brain and hands to do something creative in a slightly different format, even if you just do a bunch of flash mock-up challenges. Try to think back to what made you excited about sneaker art in the first place, and then see if you can find some of the magic again via that list of projects that you've always wanted to tackle that every artist has. I think the single most important question that you should ask a sneaker customizer who's in a slump is, when's the last time you made something for yourself? It's probably been a really long time just because of how easy it is to get caught up in the hamster wheel of just doing commission after commission. Something else totally underrated is try to surround yourself with creative energy. Something as simple as talking to other artists can totally spark new ideas. Maybe you have some artist friends nearby and you can go ahead and visit their studios. Maybe you can even work on something together. I also think it's great to join online communities, Discord groups, and then just watch some process videos from artists that you admire. And if all else fails, take a break if needed. Sometimes forcing creativity can make it worse. Take a step away, focus on other hobbies, try to get art out of your mind as much as possible, and come back refreshed. So there you have it, guys. Hopefully these tips can get you out of a creative slump if you ever find yourself in one, or if you have anything else that you recommend doing, please let us know down below. While you're there, please go ahead and drop a like on this video if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed, and now everybody get out there and just create.